Hi everyone, Johnny here with Amin Trades. Hope you're enjoying the holiday season with your friends and family. Today's episode is about day 5 of the challenge, which was the 10th of November 2025. The starting equity for day 5, as you can see here, was $2,378.35. So far, we had 4 green days in a row, and let's find out how did I do on day 5. But before that, remember, trading is very risky. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not investment advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Without further ado, let's dive into a couple of live trades from day 5. On day 5, I only traded one stock, MOVE. The float was 680,000 shares. Short float was 4.86%. 15.02% was held by institutions. The stock closed below the open price 100% of the time it gapped up in the past 3 years. The reason for the spike was this news headline. A microfloat with fresh news catalyst can be very dangerous for short sellers. Because the account is so small and the stock is priced a bit higher, I traded it with only 25 to 50 shares at a time. The max share size I was willing to load was 100 shares, no more than that. I basically took 4 quick scalp trades. I'll share 2 of those in the video here. Before we get into the live trading part, here's a screenshot of the chart, and you can see my entries and exits here. It did end up squeezing. As you can see, the stock went from less than $5 to almost $19 per share. From the first trade, I had already locked in $82.50 when it initially spiked. Shorted 25 shares at $16.50. I have another order to add 25 shares at $17. The 17 got filled. 50 shares short now at 16.75 average. Trying to take half off at 16.29, the rest at 16.02. 16.29 got filled. And here I'm all out at 16.02. The goal was to just scalp small moves, get green and get out, as this type of stock could easily squeeze very quickly. Shorted 25 shares at 17.40 here and quickly all out here. All the trades that I had taken on this stock was in a very similar way. So I ended up making $155.46 on this, and that was day 5 of the challenge. Account is up over 66% in 5 days. Episode for day 6 will be uploaded next Sunday, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Happy holidays and happy trading.